Welcome back to Dr. Uchechukwu, where we explore the best tips for living a healthier, happier life. Our goal is to provide you with practical advice and insights that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. In today's video, we're diving into two of the most powerful tools for well-being: daily exercise and a healthy diet. These are fundamental aspects of a balanced lifestyle that can significantly improve your overall health. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking to refine your routine, understanding the benefits of these habits can inspire and motivate you to make positive changes. Let's get into it and discover how you can transform your life with these simple yet effective strategies. Exercise is more than just a weight loss tool. It's a gift to your body, offering numerous physical benefits that go beyond appearance. Regular physical activity strengthens your cardiovascular system, improving circulation, reducing heart disease risk, and helping to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. It builds and maintains muscle strength and flexibility, enhancing overall mobility, preventing injuries, and supporting better posture and balance. Exercise also boosts energy levels by optimizing your body's ability to produce and utilize energy, making daily tasks easier and more enjoyable. By improving cardiovascular health and increasing oxygen flow, exercise leaves you feeling energized, revitalized, and ready to take on new challenges with a positive mindset. Exercise is a powerful tool for mental and emotional well-being. Physical activity releases endorphins, natural mood lifters that reduce stress and alleviate anxiety. Regular exercise improves sleep quality, leading to greater mental clarity and mood stability. Achieving fitness goals boosts self-esteem and confidence, empowering you to take on new challenges. Imagine feeling a surge of pride and self-assurance as you witness your body and mind growing stronger each day. Now, let's shift our focus to a healthy diet. A balanced, nutritious diet fuels your body, impacting energy levels, mood, and overall health. Prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods provides essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. A healthy diet supports weight management and heart health by choosing nutrient-dense foods and heart-healthy fats. Imagine your heart beating strong and steady, a testament to the nourishing foods you choose. Exercise and a healthy diet create a powerful synergy, amplifying each other's benefits. Nutritious foods fuel your workouts, making exercise more enjoyable and effective. Together, they support weight management, build muscle mass, and improve overall strength and vitality. This combination is essential for maintaining a healthy body composition and boosting your overall health. Living a healthy life is about making sustainable choices that nourish your body and mind. It's not just about the big changes, but the small, consistent actions that add up over time. Find joy in movement, savor whole foods, and listen to your body's wisdom. Embrace the vibrant colors and flavors of fresh, nutritious foods that fuel your energy and well-being. Each small step towards a healthier lifestyle is a victory. Celebrate your progress, no matter how minor it may seem. Connect with others who share your passion for wellness and find support in online communities. Sharing your journey can provide motivation and encouragement. Start by incorporating small changes into your daily routine, like a brisk walk or a new, healthy recipe. These simple habits can lead to lasting improvements in your overall health and happiness. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the benefits of daily exercise and a healthy diet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Share this video with friends and family, and let's inspire each other to live our healthiest lives. Your journey to wellness starts today. Until next time, take care.